Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to my channel, The Media Nerd. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a VHS tape that was stuck in a VCR. Sort of like this. Now, why would you be playing VHS tapes in the first place? Well, you may have come across a box of old family movies that you want to have digitized, and you came across a VCR as well, and you're like, great, let's play these tapes and see what's on them. Well, the VCR is probably really old, it's collecting a lot of dust, it's just not going to play correctly, and the end result is you put your tape in, you hit play, it's not playing correctly, you immediately hit eject, and the tape gets caught up like this. So let's go ahead and get started on how to remove this tape properly so you don't cause any more damage. The first thing you want to do is unplug your VCR so you don't get any kind of electrical shock. Believe me, I've been shocked on VCRs before. The next thing you're going to want to do is remove the top cover off the VCR. You can see on this one there's a screw here and there's a screw here that's holding the top cover on. All VCRs are a little different. There could be different types of screws on the sides perhaps, or 3 on the back. This one has 2, so let's go ahead and remove these screws. Okay, let's remove the cover off this VCR. There's a clip right here on this particular model. Now you can see the tape didn't load correctly. Your first instinct is just to yank. And if you yank, then see what happens? It's getting caught up in here and you're going to damage your tape if you just try to pull really hard. It's just not gonna budge. So what you wanna do is just reach inside and just lift the tape off the little moving parts and then get your finger and hold this flap up that's right here that falls down when the tape goes in, and then just gently pull your tape out. Just like that. That is it. That is how to remove a VHS tape that was stuck in your VCR. If you don't have the equipment to be able to digitize your own media, or frankly you just don't have the time, I would love to be able to help you out. You can contact me at info@coloradospringsvideo.com, or you can go to my website, coloradospringsvideo.com. I do have a media order form that you can fill out and send to me along with your media. I do have the contact information in the description of this video. If you would like to learn how to fix a VHS tape, you can check out this video right here. And if you want to learn how to clean your VCR, you can check out that video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. You have yourself a wonderful day.